Victoria, and I'm back with another video. But before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe. That way you guys can be a part of my journey as far as being a bigger and better YouTuber. And also hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified of when I upload. Okay guys, so today is a goodie. I am super duper excited to give you guys this content today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a hair review on a headband wig. Now, if you guys have not been seeing these headband wigs all around, I have, and I've been absolutely obsessed, and I just could not wait to get my hands on one. I'm just absolutely excited to get this done for you guys, and I can't wait to put this thing on. So before we get into it, I do want to give you guys a little bit of details as to where I got it from, how much it cost, and then we can get into the wig itself. So as far as where I purchased it from Amazon because, as you guys know, I'm absolutely obsessed with Amazon. I really love getting everything that I really buy from Amazon because they are absolutely the place that I like to go to get all my stuff. Alright guys, so this particular place that I purchased the wig from off of the Amazon site was Nephion store. That's pretty much what it was called. And this is the human hair blended wig, deep wave hair wigs for black women, blueless non-lace front wigs. And it's supposed to be 150% density, and it's supposed to be 18 inches. So we're gonna see how this is actually looking once we get it on, because a lot of the times they say that it's supposed to be 1 inch and then it ends up not being, so we're just gonna see. As far as the pricing, it was $85.99. They had the price in so many different prices. The cheapest was the 14 inch, but every time I was looking at the 14 inch, it just looked too small, and I don't like my wigs that short. So the 14 inch was $59.99, the 16 inch was $69.59. The 18 inch, which I got, was $85.99, and the 20 inch was $103.99. They also have a 22 inch, which is $125.99. But I wasn't on all of that. I just decided that I was just gonna get the 18 inch. Alright guys, so this is the part that we've been waiting on. I think I actually ordered a wig from this place before, and I believe it was the curly one, and I absolutely love that wig. But this is how the wig comes, guys. It comes in a little bag, as you guys can see, and this is a cute little bag. Like, you could use this after you unwrap your wig. This is really cute. And this is my first impressions on this, guys. I have not opened this wig. The minute that I got it, I just seen that the wig was there, and I was like, okay, I'll just film tomorrow. Alright guys, so I got two headbands here. I got one yellow one and one cheetah print type kind of headband. They're really, really cute. They gave me two wig caps. I can never have too many wig caps, so I'm glad they actually provided me with one. And here is the wig in this bag right here. I can already tell that it is a decent size length, as you guys can see. So I just can't wait to put this baby on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on the wig caps that they provided for me. Now, I did have my hair tie here just in case I wanted to put that on, but I think I'll use the hair tie for something else. So let me just go ahead and start putting this wig cap on so we can get into trying these wigs on. So the wig caps are the nude color. Okay guys, so alright guys, so as you can see, I've kind of left out a little bit of my baby hair kind of area, because the way that the headband wig is supposed to work, you're supposed to be able to see your edges and stuff like that. So then that way you could fool people and make them think that you grew this wig out of your scalp when you actually didn't. You are actually bald-headed and you're just fooling them. So that is what we are doing right now. We are fooling people. So we are now just putting this on. I'm just trying to make sure that my hair is back enough. Okay, so that should be good. So boom, there we go. I kind of have like a little curl right here, but that's okay. I'm probably gonna put some gel right here and kind of get it to act right, okay? Or some edge control, not gel. Okay. So now let me start opening up the thing. It came in like a Ziploc type bag or like a sandwich bag type bag. The hair doesn't stink. It doesn't smell too bad, so that's good. So immediately after taking it out, this is what the hair is looking like. The curls are super tight. Let me just take that out. All right, guys, so I cut that little price tag thing off. Now I am about to start trying on the hair. So it comes with the Velcro backing at the back. I'm gonna put this baby on. And the Velcro is not like a super harsh type feeling. It's a pretty nice feeling there. It actually comes with 3 combs in the inside. So we have a comb here, a comb here, a comb here, as well as a comb here. So actually 4 combs. So it comes with 4 combs in the inside as well as adjustable strapping. So you guys can also adjust the strapping on it in case you have like a bigger head or a smaller head. You can adjust it to your head size. Okay guys, here's the moment of truth. Ooh, this thing is snug. Like, it's really, really snug. Okay. So I see that I have a big ass head, so I'm about to undo the strapping here and loosen her up a little bit. She's being rude. I'm about to loosen her up because hang on, Miss Mamas. You're showing your ass. Oh shit, my head is just big. Okay, hang on. Okay, so I've seen a lot of people, they've kind of, you know, had theirs like about right here and they do that, but I don't know, like I don't really like that look of it. I kind of want the whole thing on, and then I kind of want this part back a little, so then that way I can kind of like put my baby hairs in it. Okay. Alright, and it does not look too natural right now, guys, but we are gonna try to fix it, okay? We are gonna fix it. Okay, so here we go. I have a big ass head, I see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the strapping at the back. Oh, the Velcro thing fits so perfect back there. Like, the curls are really pretty too. Like, okay. Ooh, you guys see that I'm bald. Hang on for a second. Y'all see my bald ass head? Y'all see this bald head, honey? Baldness. Okay. So this is what the top's giving. As you can see, baldness here. So we'll try to fix it, okay? I think I'm gonna have to do my edges off camera, but so far this is what she's giving, okay? This is how she's giving. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back with the curls not being disrupted yet. So as you guys can see, this is what the back is looking like. I don't even really know what the back's looking like right now. So I'll just have to mess with it and see it once I play it back. Okay. All right. Yes, ma'am. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so I think I do want to maybe put on one of the headbands before I get into the, let me put the headband on. Okay, let's put the headband on really quick. I love playing with wigs so much, guys. Like, I really do. I don't like doing all the glue and stuff like that, so when I seen these things existed, this was definitely up my alley. Like, okay. And I've just been noticing that, like, a lot of the females, they're not covering up the black strap. Like, oh, you could see the bald fucking cap too. Okay, they're not covering up that black cap, and like, people are gonna start catching on that, like, fooling them, you know? Okay, so I'm just gonna undo mine so you can't see that black cap. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to do my edges off camera, and then I'll come back afterward, and then we're gonna maybe try to like brush out the curls a little bit, so then we can have a bigger look, because I don't know, I kind of like mine's bigger rather than these flat curls that we have right now. Okay guys, so I am back. As you guys can see, the wig looks a little bit better now. At least to me it does. Now what I did is I went ahead and I switched the siding of the headband. So I put the part that usually is supposed to be in the front, I pushed that to the back because I thought that this way made it look a little bit more believable that, you know, hey, we have on a wig and everything, but at the same time, you know, we're trying to make it look a little bit more believable here, okay? So, what I'm about to do now is I'm about to disrupt the curls, which means that I'm about to brush the curls out because they're just a little too tight for me right now. But if I ever want it back like this, I'm sure I can wet it and add mousse to it, and I should get the curls back. But for right now, I'm just going to disrupt the curls because I can't with the way it looks right now. So as you guys can see, this is kind of like what this side right here looks, and I like it like this a lot better. This pattern even kind of like blends with my natural kind of hair. We kind of have to have a little bit of frizz in there because, I mean, ain't nobody hair growing out like that. So this is what we got. We're just gonna keep brushing. Oh yeah, and guys, I got this wig brush kind of thing from Amazon as well. Oh, this is looking so pretty now. And guys, the hair is really, really soft. It's not, you know, hard or anything like that. It's really soft hair. So, let me just kind of rake my hands through. I kind of have a couple of pieces in the back that are still really, really tight. Guys, I actually really like the length too because I don't know, it just reminds me of like if I blew out my hair a little bit, like my hair would possibly be about this length. So yeah, I kind of like the length. Could it have been a little longer? Possibly, but I feel like this is like a nice length where I could wear this out and people will be like, okay, that might be her hair, you know, like So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the back of it. I might have to keep brushing out some of the curls, but for the most part, I'm going to, you know, show you guys what it looks like in the back. This is how it's moving. Okay, so hopefully you guys were able to see that. We could say how to style the headband wig or something, like a bunch of different ways you can style it. And we'll save that for another video because I don't want this video to be too long. But y'all, I don't know. I think that she's a keeper. I feel like it's just super quick and easy to kind of throw on. And this is definitely a hair that I can just throw on when I'm trying to go to the grocery store and run some errands, and you know, my hair is in twists or something and I kind of want to switch it up, you know? So like, I don't know, like I think it's cute. And I like it bigger like this a lot better because, yeah, I just like the bigness of it better. So you guys see that? That's what it's giving. Let me know what you guys think though of the headband wig. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like, I don't know. I just think that once the baby hairs got flayed, the wig kind of came together a little bit more. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the wig. Let me know if you would be purchasing it as well. Oh my god, I was dying to get one of these. I'm honestly thinking about getting other ones because they have so many different textures and things like that that you can choose from. And I think I want to get me another one. But anyway, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. My social medias will be listed in the description box down below, as well as on the screen and in the outro. Alright guys, if you guys like videos like this, please be sure to give this a big thumbs up, and I'll continue to keep producing content like this for you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!